Welcome to RaceSplitter. We've prepared a 4-minute video to give you an overview of the application's main features. We hope you enjoy it. This is the screen that lists all of the races that we've created. At the moment we have one race, the Athens Trail Race. Clicking on a race, we move to the race detail screen. We have a configuration area, a start list area, the timer, and the publish and share area. Let's click on the race configuration. We have the race name and location. We have the race type. The race type can be fixed distance or fixed time. Most races are fixed distance, like a 10-kilometer race or a marathon. In a fixed distance race, the winner is the first person who crosses the finish line. But some races are fixed in time. For example, the person who runs the most laps in a 10-hour period. And so we also support that kind of race. This only affects how the results are displayed. Next we have the start type. RaceSplitter supports 3 race start types. The first is a mass start race. These are races in which everyone starts at the same time. The second is a wave start race. This is where waves of racers, groups of racers start together separated by some interval. For example, say that 10 racers begin every minute. And then the last start type is an interval start type. This is like a cycling time trial where each racer individually starts separated by a particular interval time. Many Nordic ski races are interval starts, so each racer leaves every 30 seconds. Now let's move on to the start list. This start list already has a number of racers that we've added. We can delete a couple. And let's add some new racers to the start list. Let's choose this guy. Now we're ready to start the race. Let's swipe to start the race. Now we're on the timing screen where we have a race clock, a link back to the standings, and a number pad where we'll enter the numbers of the racers as they go by. Here comes racer number 1, time him. Racer number 2, Carlota, let's time her. Here comes racer number 3, Carlos, let's time him. Now racer number 4 and 5 are coming together. They're going to be timed at exactly the same time. Now we see that we can scroll back in our timing card list to see the previous racers. And now let's switch into the standings. The current overall standings are shown first. We can tap here to filter on categories. We can see who's winning in the Masters division, in the Men's Senior division, back to the overall. Let's go back into the timer. This time racer number 6. Racer number 7. Oops, we made a mistake. We timed racer number 6 again. That was supposed to be racer 7. We see they're on lap 2, so we're going to go edit this entry. Let's change the bib number to 7, the lap number to 1, and save it. Now we have the correct entry. Let's time racer number 8. An unnamed racer. This was someone who was not in our start list, but that's okay. We'll fix that later. So the race is ending. Let's stop the race. We have our final overall listing. We're going to tap on the unnamed racer and go assign them to a racer in our database. We could also create a new racer if we wanted to. So now we have our final overall standings list. And once again, we can filter by category if we like. This is very useful for race organizers. Now at this point, if we want, we can export our data as CSV in an email for import into Excel. Go back to the race details screen. We can also, if we have a RaceSplitter account, we can also instantly publish our results online at racesplitter.com, where we'll have a nice web page that we can print out at the race in a nice printable format. Well, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the the introduction video. If you have any questions, you can email us at support@racesplitter.com or visit our help center at help.racesplitter.com.